Imagine someone you love walking up to you, wrapping their arms around you, and trapping you so you can't move. For a human, that's a warm hug. For a dog, it feels like a hostage situation. We love our dogs more than anything. But because we show love like primates and they experience the world like canines, we are constantly crossing our wires. In fact, when researchers analyzed hundreds of photos of people hugging their dogs, a staggering 81.6% of the dogs showed visible signs of anxiety and stress. Today, we're looking at the top human habits that are secretly stressing your dog out, and how tweaking your behavior can unlock a totally new, deeply uplifting level of trust between you and your best friend. The hugging trap. Let's start with that hug. Humans are wired to embrace each other to show affection. But dogs are built for running. Their absolute first line of defense in any scary situation is to flee. When you wrap your arms around them, especially if you lift them off the ground, you strip away their ability to escape. You might think you're saying, "I love you," but their brain is screaming, "I'm trapped." Studies of online videos show that in about 2/3 of dog hugging clips, the dog gets so stressed they actually try to nip or bite to get free. Instead of a bear hug, try a consent test. Hold your hand out, wait a second, and see if they lean in for a chest scratch. Let them choose the affection. Broadcasting your stress. You know that feeling when you've had a terrible day at work and your dog just seems off? It's not your imagination. A 2024 study from the University of Bristol proved that dogs can literally smell human stress on our breath and sweat. When dogs in the study smelled the sweat of a stressed human, they actually became more pessimistic and hesitant in their environment. It goes even deeper. Researchers have found that a dog's long-term stress hormone levels, measured in their hair, will actually sync up with their owner's hair cortisol levels. If you live in a constant state of chaos, your dog is absorbing that anxiety like a sponge. If you want a calm dog, you have to bring the calm yourself, the blah 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 effect. Okay, buddy, time to go outside. Drop the toy. Come here. Sit down. Be a good boy. We humans are obsessed with talking. But to your dog, a rambling sentence is just a wall of stressful noise. We expect them to understand English, but they rely way more on our body language. When we flood them with constant chatter, they get confused, which we often misread as them being stubborn. In fact, research shows that when training dogs, hand signals are up to 99% reliable, while voice commands only hit about 82% reliability. Keep your words simple, clear, and consistent. And speaking of misreading them, that famous guilty look they give you when they chew up your favorite shoes, science has proven they don't actually feel guilty. That cowering, lip-licking look is just a pure fear response to your angry tone of voice and frustrated posture. The uplifting truth. Now, this might sound like we're doing everything wrong, but here is the incredible news. When we do get it right, the benefits are practically magical. We are biologically wired to heal each other. A brand new 2024 study actually measured human brain waves during different activities with dogs. The researchers found that simply walking or playing with a dog dramatically increases your brain's alpha waves, pushing you into a state of deep relaxation. And gently grooming or massaging them boosts your beta waves, which actually heightens your concentration. When we stop forcing dogs to act like little humans in fur coats and start respecting them for the amazing animals they are, the stress simply melts away. Give them clear signals. Respect their personal space and take a deep breath. Your dog is listening, watching, and smelling your every move. Let's make it a good one.